Good afternoon to everybody once again. Good afternoon to all our ones out there. Good afternoon to everybody who used to watch my videos and also anybody who contribute to these videos. Wow, may God bless you people all. Yeah, I'm here once again to just address one or two things in this country. Yeah. When you travel outside Ghana to a country like USA, you see, in every country we have politicians. Both the Christians country and the Islamic countries, they all have their politicians, their political leaders and stuff. You understand? But most of those countries, when it's time for election, is when you see them doing politics. After the election, there's no politics again. They all come together and work. They all come together as a team and work to progress their country, but not in Ghana. When you travel to USA, I've never been in USA before, but now because of internet and stuff, you might be in Ghana here, but you will know what is going on in outside country. You understand? Yeah, I got to know that in USA they don't do politics. They don't do politics when election is over. After election, both the opposition and the ruling party come together as a team and work hard to put the country forward. But Ghana here, when it is time for voting, politics. When election time is over, politics. So just ask yourself that. So when is this country going to move forward? When this country is going to move forward? And now this one, let me say it in English so that our local people, those who can't even express themselves in the English language, will understand me. Yeah, Ghana no see an ICCKD or I life. Tis any we no dot no tramadol any I life am youth no. See sana mimi who says CKD or by I life the politicians no. Both sides na MPP and the NDC, that two dominant party in this country. And I say CKD and I for life be their mom. Say government when the baswa no be transmit this kind of chair no call. Say when no be no be transmit no this kind of chair no be no call. Charlie, it's very sad. It's very sad. Aya reho say ye choose mu say wona mu nim de amubebu o man no ama ye ho atoyen ne de akọ ye de tumi na hye mu sa kyese mu mpo de kyese anka ye ko nsa won ko hwe an Roberts fo no buo na ga de tumi ni ma won po anka ehun won faso anka e benya won faso ene ye nim say yes o me akonfo na de tumi ahye mu sa na nya mu a ye nim say mu nya me so mu wako school edu etire ene ri sana mu mpo de school na mko na ekro no school na mko ye dia kosu na e Ghana na enyo me kasa first na me kasa say yeah MPP because of say me want MPP nti me kasa ko MPP kwa afa yeah ba me say e kwasi asem at the end of the day no me am say me data at the end of the day no so mu mami ejuma bi o e na me bra o man na me so mu jejeje tax e ejuma na ska no so mu say nti mu putese mu fa mpo o man no youth of this country, wise up, stop that NDC and the MPP thing. Always think before you do something. When we are going to vote, think wisely. Me MPP me MPP ni. Ultra me MPP ni. Uya me dem MPP ni. Who did the matter me MPP ni. As I'm speaking now, I'm still MPP man. What you say? But dear kosu wa aban ni mo no. Mwame ena nipo na meka se mwame na wane no de ebo no no kure da ho a muma yenka no kure nipa muma yenka no kure because MPP party na nyam papa na tie ena NDC zu me nya so papa na tie enti bibi koso na nya na wo se yenka aden oputo bi no no ekoso wo man mu and this time mo sisi schools mo yesi and sustain our country say na one wo NPP for so mo buy mo say na free national health insurance ma she mo miem mama na like mama na look good education free SHS mo say planting food and stuff then and so yeah who she stand on the country was zero country ni it was zero and the ministers mo sole a na we tu kan kwa ha na we tu kan kwa ha na mo sise sika no kwasia fomu a import de bia be de mekan me say empanifo na ye do mo sisi ya no you know the sectors ne so mo hwe so akadi sisa bulldogs ne import ko gu on point ni say de mo na ko gu ho na we de ye ni say de nipa ne gu so mo hwe so na like put measures in place be boyen citizens no ba chimi adwene omutrim because adwene omutrim pa be ya de be boa wo abo achiri ma na e ba no eno na eche se obu oman na enye oman obe abegina be ma speak de do on one kuntan baumia the MPP ni so me kan ko na achewe ne say time mu opposition na de bia Irish wa 3 hours bia me to on radio mu ba power yi baumia me to won kan 6 months age baumia wo opposition wo na o claim say wo ni made ade na wo ni mu apply say the power na ma apply no say here de o kan na yampa say baumia so ya no so aka wo ya le aka because economy meet here we so economist ba me hu economy be economy hu meet hu ne nan ti say na this opposition ya de bia de abashi na MPP yeah sa na msomba say na msomba be youth muma ye ni enda ho muma ye ni enda muma ye sole ne yen kasa muma ye sole youth me kan so mi konya to trust em ana obi ko pe en ko fa bibi ko mo obi en ye wa wasem ko ye na ye chi wo na ko de ma ye wa wasem but muma ye sole ye na so muma ye sole penifo no say yeah youth mo nya break ni pa citizens ni nya break because they cause wo man ni mo no ase ya funu ye e die ni de pa ne cause wo man ni ba mi bremo ade bia mekan me si me bremo ye electric na ayesen elect won so munye benefo ne ya because edusu ana ye yan o mi ya igbeni ntimi ntuma edisi o ya mi asante ntimi ntuma MPP o mi ekroboni mi ntuma enisi o mi efantimi ntuma MPP se ya na esubantie ne mo ye ndwen anke ye dwen anke ye won se ye nipa ye dwen ekwo echile se oh okay do the policy good policy be ba no I'll vote for that person. The person who will come out with good policy is the person I'm going to vote for, or I'm going to cast my vote for, but not the person that I support because of tribal politics or something like. Stop that stupid things. We're in 21st century. There's no time to waste on tribal politics. Always think about the good effects. When people are coming out, when flag bearers are coming out with their policy and their manifesto and stuff, sit down quietly and listen to it before you make a choice. Because now the politicians they are thieves. They are more than a tie. They are criminals. The politicians are criminals. They always come out with good talks. They have sugar-coated mouths, but they are criminals. They are control. But Ghana politicians they are control with different both MPP NDC. MPP and this only akromfo we diffo akromfo e we diffo akromfo dey we obi na wo dey otifie na dey be akoma MPP kuma dis we jimifo ko hwe bebi amoma ewo ko hwe bebi amojire no mote ko hwe bebi amoma me no mote na fa kompe bebi a wo te na so le a wo jimi wo so le a no jimi wo so le a fa life to chacha na mo formating vigilantism hawk the hawks na mo kun na yekumu na mo kwa ma party na yekumu wunjimi ye woni munyansa pa wa ko form that group that vigilante group akuyo bia woni munyansa pa wo da dwen akwasea identity na fa ko two policeman na fa ko two soldier mu I do kwa ko to the hawks and the party security jimi mo ma ye ni enda ho muma yeni na enda woni yenyin ko echi yenyin ko echi si sample Togo mpo won fa so sin Ghana Togo ya o Togo won fa so sin Ghana Togo he ya population population po se be du bibiro masa ompo mo fa so sen Ghana because this amampe ni for no ye hu de omoye MPP beba troka MPP abaso troka ndisi abaso troka sisi nana de pa nana adudan kwa gufo ubeti makasa mayama Ghana dampa na mahama ubeti ndu sesi ubusa mayama Ghana amode former president Kufuor nyame shira bebe wo bia nyame shira otu nkwandem nana adudan kwa we disappointing me because nana me pe wasem no me pe wasem because of time wo opposition dey pia wo ba me follow rally me kwase yi no me kwase na me no moja duro no ti won se ma wo kika no na mo se papei oba ye tu mini man no oba but me unim ko ama MPP fa posters on talent ko mi kura na se on mu ko fobia oso peka akọ asikesu electoral area ukọ abo akata me midin efram akata bo akata wo ne ti do on bet ne temi history etu ko tali party posters MPP da mo posters yi election time no na in this function de on de akotale so na ye ntokwa na me ko ye de gigi da ye you know ye you MP New Durban North that MP no your friend is saying eje boatin oni me ka se oni me pa oba so mo aben pa no wetin na me papa MPP party chairman askesu NDC for me kan history bi na che na mo hwe party no te so mo hwe de Ghana mpani for omusuban no omusuni omoban tie no ye yuta wa hwe hu yi no ankota amane bi mu me papa oye party chairman askesu electoral area askesu ni NDC for stronghold me fan say electorate no mo pro ni mu ye 100 ana fa so mo ye 5000 ye to aba NDC so me 100 NDC benya 89 300 mu dia ka na MPP for dia wo na so woni 2016 election edumade me papa ni ebinum MPP for mpanifo ni bi na mo kro nu wo no ekranya so no no edumade o me to for muti no woni NDC ebiti MPP by one vote o me fa say MPP NDC nya 5000 MPP so nya 4999 enso bisa say NPP for ba asompo no o ma sensu akomo mo kra na se order sisi a ogbe no ma betran radio station no mu claim ya ye na eye dumaden e na ye na eye se e chale sisi a de Ghana ye nko na MPP NDC o party bu bas no bedu kwase asem ye betu dey na se o bas o bedi 8 years for the way edu so a wo de obi ye so bedwem ye to abaniti ya no so bedwem masa